What's up, class? Evans here. We're going to make the same part as we did before, but this time, instead of starting with a larger box and cutting away pieces, we're going to just make the part like 3D printing. This is the additive method. So log in for Onshape if you haven't already. Create a new document. We're going to call it additive space and then put your class period. If you're here for first period, put first. If you're here for eighth period, put eighth. And then put your initials. First letters of your first, middle, and last name. Don't have a middle name, then of course just 2 letters. All right, so hit OK. We have our main menu showing up. I'm going to create a sketch. I'm going to start from the front view, so I need to select front. And I'm going to use a tool called the line tool. And let me come over here and click on the front view so I can look at it straight on. I want to make an L shape. If you look at the picture of the item on the bottom left-hand corner, you can see the main part of it is just an L shape. Let me click on the dimension tool over here, as I showed you in the last video. And I'm going to make it 2 units tall, 1 unit tall on this side, 1 unit wide here, and 3 units across the bottom. The remainder would then be, if this is 2 units tall and this is 1 unit tall, this is 1 unit tall here. I don't need to re-put that, it already knows that, and then this would be 2 units tall. So I just need to put enough dimensions for it to fit. I don't need to make every line dimensioned. All right, so I'm done with that sketch. And I want to extrude that sketch. Right there, I want to extrude it 1 unit forward. You can do forward or backwards, doesn't matter in this case. And hit the check mark. Let me use my little view cube on the side and rotate it. And I want to create a sketch right on the back here. Let me turn it so I can see it. And I want to put a rectangle right back there. 1 to 1. And I'll just put 1, enter 1 just to make sure. Oh, it's complaining that I put 1 when it already knew it, so that's fine. And hit the check mark. Going to extrude that 1 box, and I wanted to extrude 1 inch forward. There we go. So now that you're more familiar with Onshape, then making parts becomes quicker and quicker if you're already used to using all the different commands. So now that you've been introduced to using Extrude to cut and add, you can make all types of boxy shapes. So to turn this in, you're just going to do a screenshot. So you can screenshot with your iPad, however that works. Or if you're on a computer, you can screenshot a little bit. Make sure to, if you're going to cut the screenshot, make sure that it includes the name, the parts tree, and the part sitting at this view. And then upload it to your Canvas assignment. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me on the Zoom or send me a remind if you're outside of class so that I can help you. Thank you. Bye.